Here's how I installed a cedar plank ceiling in my van. We cut 5 1x3s, which were placed against the metal beams of the van and secured using 7-inch, 1/4-inch bolts and nuts, which we put through the pre-drilled holes in the metal beams, so no additional holes had to be made. We cut full boards to fit around the fan and started putting them in, beginning in the center and working our way out on both sides. The wood I used was 1/4-inch Western cedar planks from Home Depot. They smell amazing and are flexible enough to curve with the transit ceiling. All of the planks in the front of the van were screwed into the wood beams, which allows me to remove them if needed, since my solar and light wires are behind them. I measured out where I wanted my lights to be so that they were even over my countertop. We then used a hole saw to cut the holes in the ceiling for the lights. I rewired them and put them into the ceiling before finishing it. For the back, full pieces were cut to size and around the fan. These were then nailed into the wood beams. I used nails because there's nothing in that section of the ceiling. Because the wood beams run straight across the ceiling and the transit ceiling curves, we had to use wood wedges on the sides to keep the planks even with the curve. To make sure the two sections were even, we had to adjust some of the boards to come down a little. You can then close the seam between the two with a border or wood filler. Finally, I re-secured the fan and my ceiling was complete. It made a huge difference in the feel of the van, and I only wish I had done it sooner. If you want to keep up with my builds and all things van life, don't forget to subscribe.